In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indicate where to sign in Docusign. This is a valuable skill when you're managing electronic agreements and ensures everyone knows exactly where their signature is needed. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is the #1 platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, and it offers a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, you'll see a button labeled Log In at the top right corner of the page. Click on that. If you have an existing account, you can enter your credentials to log in, but if you're new to Docusign, you'll need to create an account first. It's a straightforward process, and you'll be guided through each step to get all set up. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Docusign homepage. It's here that you can start managing your documents. The next thing you'll want to do is select a template. Docusign provides a range of templates that you can choose from, or if you have your own document prepared, you can upload that instead. Selecting a template is beneficial as it can save you time and ensure that all necessary fields are included and formatted correctly. Once you have your template or document ready, the next step is to add some details. This includes information like the recipients' names and emails, which is crucial for making sure your agreements reach the right people. If you're using a template, some of this information may already be populated for you, but make sure to review and edit as needed to tailor it specifically to your needs. When you've finished adding those details, click on the Next button to proceed. This will take you to a new screen where you can begin indicating where recipients need to sign. To do this, look for the signature option on your tool panel. It's a critical part of the process because it's how you'll let recipients know exactly where their signatures are required. Now comes the simple yet important task of dragging and dropping the signature field onto your document. Consider this like placing a digital sticky note that says "Sign here." You'll want to make sure that the signature fields are placed accurately and clearly on your document so that recipients see them without any confusion. Ensure that you've covered all necessary places that require signatures to avoid any issues later on. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully indicated where to sign in Docusign. This process not only streamlines your document signing, but also ensures clarity and efficiency for all parties involved. Thanks for watching and happy signing.